Our basic education principal, Sister Emilia S. Alvarez, STC, to the SPC sisters and the administrators, to our beloved parents, guardians, pupils, and students, and all, good morning. On behalf of St. Paul University, Surigao, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to everyone present today. This event would not have been possible without unwavering support, dedication, and collaboration of all involved. To our dear parents, guardians, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Please know that we appreciate your kindness and support. To our dear pupils, thank you for doing your best today. In our hearts, you are all winners, no matter what happens. To the advisors and choreographers, thank you for your dedication and creative ideas in making your performance truly a remarkable one. To the board of judges, thank you for coming. We hope that you enjoyed the show. To the live and music in charge, to the ICT and to the team admin for making this video presentable. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. As we reflect on the success of this event, we look forward to building on the momentum and continuing to foster growth, culture, collaboration, togetherness, and innovation in the year to come. Thank you for making this film demonstration 2025 a remarkable one. Caritas Christi or Jet Nos.
Thank you, Mrs. Garcia, for the inspiring work. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the declaration of winners to be announced by the chairman of the Board of Judges. May we also request Sister Maria
Hala, namaho man.
SPC,
Nanimaho.
Vice President for Christian Formation Services.
Wow. Hey! Dari kau gig. Ada dia orang kali orang.
Tessie C. Dolores
Ate oh ate.
P. PhD, for his invaluable efforts extended as one of the Board of Judges during the field demonstration held on January 21, 2025 at St. Paul University, Surigao. May we request the presence of Ms. Yvonne Garrido. Once again, may we request the presence of Ms. Yvonne Garrido.
Once again, our first judge, Ms. Tessie Dolores.
A hand, please. Certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Robert Reyna Maso. A hand, please. Who's your bet? Can I hear from the grade 3 pupils? How about my grade 1? Give it up for our grade 2 pupils. Of course, being on the Pindy, a grade 5 pupil. Make some noise, grade 4.
Gusto preschool. Special man.
Best in choreography. This is from kindergarten to grade 6. Let's start with the special awards, no? Best in choreography. We have the grade 6 group. Requesting a representative from grade 6 group to receive your trophy. Again, congratulations, grade 6, for having won Best in Choreography. Can we give them a round of applause? Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the Best in Costume Award. Best in Costume goes to
Grade 4.
grade 3. Congratulations, grade 3. May the representative to receive your trophy. Again, congratulations, grade 3, for the Best in Costume Award. Moving on, let's have the People's Choice Award. I understand that this is an online voting. Now, for this year's People's Choice Award, we have grade People's Choice Award goes to grade 2.
Ang cute.
Congratulations, grade 2. May the representative to receive
Ah, ng grade 1.
People's Choice Award.
Ato sa kili ng grade 1 kalau isa. Yan yan.
Again, congratulations to our grade 2 pupils for having won the People's Choice Award. Now let's move on to the Most Disciplined Award. Most Disciplined Award goes to grade 4. May the representative from grade 4.
Ah, si Miguel. Si Miguel.
Congratulations, grade 4. The Most Disciplined Award goes to grade 4. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have the Most Lively Group Award.
Grade 4.
Most Lively goes to Most Lively Award goes to grade 2. Congratulations, grade 2. Okay, again, congratulations. Now, moving on, let's have the Most Colorful Award. Most Colorful Award goes to grade 1.
Colorful na yun sila.
Grade Ang grade 1.
Kalau ay sa bitaon. Most cute ra karon ta. Siyempre sila ang daog. Mga cute to.
Again, congratulations, grade 1 pupils, for having won the most colorful
Congrats!
award. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hindi rin pakuhuli, our most
We will buy again. We will buy again.
entertaining
We will buy
group,
again.
most entertaining group goes to our very cute kindergarten pupil.
Yay!
Congratulations, our kindergarten pupils. Any representative from the kinder group. Of course, we have the special participation of our kindergarten learners.
Bato nga na kaya ako mag-short.
Our most entertaining group, our kinder group, congratulations.
Ang grade 5 naka-award pa sila? Naka-award ang grade 5 no? Naka-award na.
Okay, again, congratulations. Then we have the last special award, the most glamorous group. Ladies and gentlemen, our most glamorous group is grade 5. Congratulations, grade 5. In your representative to receive the most glamorous award. Again, congratulations, our grade 5 learners. Now, let's come to the most awaiting part, the declaration of winners in the major awards. And our performers, hello. Our performers were categorized into two. We have category 1 for grades 1, 2, and 3, and category 2 or category B, grades 4, 5, and 6. Now let's start off with category A. For our second runner-up, film demonstration category A winner is entry number 3, the grade 2 pupils. Grade 2 pupils is our second runner-up.
Gana bitaw nila no? Mas gana sila kaysa grade 3.
Grade 2. Where are the teachers? Teachers, please for having won the second runner-up in the field demonstration competition for category A. Okay, thank you, grade 2. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have two remaining contenders for category A. Listen, we will be announcing the champion first. Then, the first runner-up. Ang unahan natin pagtugod si champion muna, no?
Dili ko tamo.
For our grand champion in the field demonstration for category A goes to entry number 2, the grade 1 pupils.
Congratulations! But first, we will award our first runner-up. Grade 3. Again, we will award first our first runner-up, grade 3.
And our first runner-up is our grade 3 pupils.
Amo, tupilan mga cute.
Pupils, teachers, and photographers. Congratulations!